VEO 3.1 is here, and it represents a massive breakthrough in AI-powered video creation. We are looking at a new benchmark for creative storytelling and visual quality. What makes VEO 3.1 stand out is its ability to seamlessly orchestrate complex camera movements and transitions, bringing architectural scenes to life with remarkable realism. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the creative workflows you can use to build compelling architectural stories using your own images and the power of VEO. We'll be using Flow by Google to control our generation. Starting with the text-to-video feature, you'll first want to check your settings. Here you can adjust your aspect ratios, outputs per prompt, and model types. For our first project, I want to create a cinematic video of a contemporary mixed-use building with bold, sculptural architecture located near a canal. To get the best results, I've structured my prompt into 5 key sections: cinematography, subject, environment, light and style, and audio. If you aren't starting with an image, describing the materials and architectural elements accurately is crucial. After sending the prompt, it took about 2 minutes for VEO 3.1 to generate this. Look at this starting frame. The reflections and ripples in the canal are incredibly realistic. Notice how the camera slowly moves up and zooms out to reveal the building. One of the strongest points of this model is how it animates interest: people, cyclists, and boats. While I noticed a minor hiccups in the cyclist animations, the warm sunlight and building reflections are nearly perfect. One of the most powerful tools in VEO 3.1 is the composing feature. By clicking Add to Scene, we enter a timeline editor where we can combine and arrange multiple clips. By hitting the plus icon, I can extend my previous video. I'll paste a new prompt to transform the scene into a time-lapse. I want to see a transition from a warm golden hour to a deep purple twilight and finally to a rich midnight blue. In just about a minute, we have our extension. The AI did a beautiful job with the lighting quality. It even picked up on the specific request for LED strip lighting and transitioned the building's interiors to a lit state. The crowd activity and both speeds also adjusted naturally to the change in time. Next, let's try a transformation. I asked the AI to turn an empty backyard into a landscaped Mexican garden. Again, the AI delivered a great result, adding a water body and seating areas. Here is a pro tip. You can pick any frame from your video and save it as an asset. That frame then becomes the starting point for your next clip. I used this to test a weather cycle. I prompted the AI to cycle through all 4 seasons, starting with the fresh greens of spring, moving to the bright summer, the warm tones of autumn, and finally a snow-covered winter. The camera zoom adds a great cinematic feel here. One minor critic though: the AI occasionally tries to transform the scene into an interior shot unexpectedly, but aside from that, the seasonal accuracy is impressive. Finally, let's look at the ingredients to video. This allows you to upload multiple images as ingredients for your scene. I'm using a modern residential building and a dense forest background. Experiment A. I prompted the AI to make the jungle grow through the floorboards and windows as the camera moves toward the building. You can see the floor actually turning into jungle soil. It's a stunning surrealist effect. Experiment B. This time, I want the jungle to appear only as a reflection on the glass of the house during a camera pan. Within 1 minute, VEO 3.1 created this close-up of the glass facade, perfectly reflecting the forest ingredient. Overall, VEO 3.1 is a brilliant tool for realistic architectural scenes. Whether it's time-lapses, adding life to a scene with people, or executing complex camera movements, it is easily some of the most impressive AI tech out there right now. If you're looking to take your architectural storytelling to the next level, I definitely recommend giving this a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI creative tools. Let me know in the comments which feature are you most excited to try, the time-lapse editor or the ingredients to video. I'll see you in the next one.